Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone screen not responding after the new iOS update. So guys, if your iPhone screen is not responding, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the issue. Number one is restart your iPhone. This is the simplest and most effective solutions. Press and simply tap on settings, tap on general, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is force restart. If a regular restart does not work, try a force restart. Press and hold the volume up button, press and hold the volume down button, and press the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears on your screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check for dubs. Make sure there's no dust, dub, moisture on the screen. Clean the screen with a soft cloth and try again. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is remove the glass protector or back protector and fix back cover and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, applying the solution number five. Solution number five is check for screen settings. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up, tap on accessibility. You can see appears on screen many options. Tap on zoom. If zoom is turned on, simply turn it off and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, applying this solution number six. Solution number six is check for software updates. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number six is not working, applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is restore iPhone. If all the else fails, try restoring your iPhone. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on erase all content and settings, tap on continue and erase your iPhone to factory reset and set up your iPhone again and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, make sure your iPhone is not dropped down. If your iPhone is dropped down, visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone screen not responding after iOS update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.